Why does your scanner show the P2633 engine code? What does it mean? P2633 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel pump B control circuit low. This error code indicates it means the vehicle's PCM has detected lower than expected voltage in the circuit that controls the secondary fuel pump, meaning the computer's signal is too weak or lost. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: bad fuel pump, corroded or damaged wiring, faulty fuel pump relay, broken ground wire, failed PCM or ECM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Hyundai, Volkswagen, Chevrolet, Ford, and Mercedes-Benz. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.